I posted this picture an hour back and I just got only 5 likes. This is terrible. Is social media still alive? Does social media work? Why am I getting only 5 likes?
If you are that struggling person, then this video is just for you, because in this video we have shown you some amazingly cool ways on how you can grow and win social media. The first tip which we have for you is using Jiffy. That's G-I-P-H-Y. The website of Jiffy looks like this. So what you can do here is that you can browse through many GIFs and you can send these GIFs to your friends, and you can use these GIFs on all major social media platforms. But how? You can use it for your own personal branding by uploading your own GIFs. That's right, you can react to videos, stuff like this could be a OMG GIF, or maybe ha! This could be a I know that GIF, or maybe there are so many more GIF categories that you can use and make your own GIF. So what you can do is record yourself like this, make your own GIF and upload it on Jiffy and use it on all major social media platforms. And other people can also use your GIFs on major social media platforms. So use Jiffy to grow your personal brand in 2020 and use Jiffy to make your brand popular in 2020. That guy which you're seeing on the screen right now could be you, right? He just did oh and that's it, if you can see that. So if you want to learn to make your own GIFs, and if you want us to make a tutorial on how to make your own GIFs and upload them on Jiffy, let us know in the comment section below. The second tip which we have for you is focusing more on the list. That's right, focus on the list, because as the saying goes, the money is in the list. But we're not talking about email lists here. Email lists is old. Yes, email lists still work and we do support email lists because we have our own email list as well. But we are talking about messenger marketing lists. We're talking about Telegram broadcast lists, the Telegram channel list, or maybe WhatsApp broadcast list, because in 2020 Facebook is probably gonna run ads on WhatsApp stories and people might come up with various WhatsApp bots as well. So instead of email sequences, they might be WhatsApp sequences or Telegram sequences, and especially WhatsApp My Business is increasingly growing as well. So what you can do is, rather than just collecting an email list, you can send your followers to a landing page where you can also connect their phone numbers as well, and later on you can add them into Telegram lists, WhatsApp lists, of course with their consent. Messenger lists are also working, and that's why we recommend our friends at Silverbots. Silverbots is one such amazing tool that you can use for all your messenger marketing efforts. That's right, it's superb. It's on a limited lifetime deal at 95% off right now on PitchGround.com. But we want you to try it first. Just log on to silverbots.com and try making the messenger bot for free. We have the tutorial which I'm linking in the I button. You can watch that tutorial and build your own messenger bot. And if you like Silverbots, you can grab it soon at 95% off. Before we end the deal, of course, grab it soon at 95% off on pitchground.com. Try out Silverbots at silverbots.com. So that's with your messenger marketing and list building efforts. They say your vibe attracts your tribe. Do you agree with that? If you agree, type yes in the comment section below. So what we mean to say is, build your tribe online, grow your community across for your brand. Let's say you are a fitness company that sells fitness supplements. What you can ideally do is make a fitness related group and only promote fitness like diet plans, like exercises that can burn fat, and many such tricks, many such videos. There's so much content on fitness. So you can make such videos, and silently you can also promote your supplement. Basically, you're building a community of like-minded people who are more likely to use your product, but you're providing them value. As Gary says, jab, 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 right hook. You have to provide value, 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 and then sell it. What is an easy way to grow and build a community online? The easy way in 2020 and the most effective way in 2020 is by using challenges. You can use challenges to grow and build a community of like-minded people online. Challenges like 90-day book reading challenge, 90-day body transformation challenge, or maybe 52 books a year challenge, which says that you can like read one book a week for the rest of the year, which makes it 52 weeks and 52 books. You're getting it? Ideally, you can make such challenges help people out in achieving their goals by providing them more value content, and you can create your own content and push it to them, and they will actively watch it. You can also create a Telegram group with a list of all of your people who took part in the challenge. Many people are doing challenges. Gary Vee is doing the 90-second challenge, and you can also make a hashtag for your challenge so that these people can promote daily wins on their Instagram feed. And just like so much more to explore with challenges. There's so much more. All you have to do is like make your own challenge on your blog and like start creating your tribe, building your tribe of like-minded people who will support you and who are ready to consume your content. If you go to TikTok, you'll also see brands making use of TikTok challenges. What they are doing is like brands are paying TikTok or brands are paying influencers to use the particular hashtag, and seeing influencers, many other smaller TikTok creators are getting inspired by these influencers and using the same hashtag and making similar videos. So what's happening is that your brand is growing. That's right, your brand is growing because you have your brand name in that hashtag and it becomes a branded hashtag. So you're not creating any content. People, the TikTok creators, are making videos using this thing and promoting your brand. Coke and many other, OLX is such brand which did this, and it has seen a significant amount of boost in their, brand marketing efforts. The fourth tip which we have here is making TikToks over Instagram stories. It's alright, if you're not uploading Instagram stories, start uploading right now. You woke up, you're thinking of something, think of Instagram stories as your new Facebook newsfeed status. Facebook newsfeed asks, what's on your mind? And on Instagram, you're gonna just tell that in a video format. Make Instagram stories, talk to your followers, and if you're doubtful of making Instagram stories, or you're already making Instagram stories, you might be making some mistakes. So there's a video over here. I linked it to the I button here. I linked it to the I button here. You can watch that to avoid these Instagram story mistakes. So ideally, you need to be making TikTok videos of 15 seconds and promote it on TikTok, post it on TikTok rather, and promote it on Instagram, Facebook, and wherever you get. The next tip which I have for you, and probably you have been hearing this tip since 2018 mid, is starting your own podcast. That's right, guys. In 2020, there are so many more podcast listeners, and making a podcast is just really simple. If you're like confused on how you can start your own podcast, we have a video for that as well. You can get started with your own podcast for free. That's right, for free. All you have to do is take your phone and record your voice and upload that as a podcast. It's that simple. You don't have to be in a specific position or whatnot. But if you're like really serious with doing with all the equipment or something, what you can also do is like while you're recording a podcast, you can keep a camera so that the camera will also record the video of you making the podcast, and you can upload that on YouTube as well. So you're getting a video podcast episode, you're also getting an audio podcast episode on Spotify, Google Podcasts, Stitcher, and many more such platforms. And the final tip, or the bonus tip, the sixth tip we have here is going live on social media platforms. Going live will increase your credibility. Get that in your head. Going live will increase your trust. Going live will increase your authenticity. So you need to go live. Start by going live once a week. Talk to your followers. Engage with them. Ask their struggles. Help them out. So for a quick recap, these are all the tips which I've told in the video. Let us know which tip are you currently using and which tip are you currently planning to use to grow on social media. Until then, I'll see you in our next video. Bye. Oh hey, you forgot to click the subscribe button. So do subscribe to our channel so that you can get value videos like this every single week.